So we open our MetaTrader and we'll see the pairs available. Click on the top right on the plus icon and it will open up a section where you can add your other pairs. So all you do is click on the green circle to add all of these pairs, and once that's done you'll see they've now gone into our list of available pairs to trade. Now we click on the chart button and have a look at that, which we'll explain later on, and then the trade button, which is the important one. Now when you click trade, you're going to have a look at the right hand corner and click the plus icon. Once you've done that, we're going to click on Euro USD, and that will allow us to change the pair. So for this we're going to change it to GBP USD. Below it says instant execution, which means buy or sell. We do have the option to do buy limits and sell limits, but for this we'll just do a simple buy or sell. Below that is our lot size, and we have the ability using the plus and minuses to up the lot or down the lot by either 0.01 or 0.1. When we've done this, we need to add in our stop losses and our take profit, abbreviated SL or TP. So we put in a stop loss, we then type in our take profit, and then we, using the buttons below, either sell it, which is red, or buy it, which is blue. So we've now sold that trade, it's gone straight into active trades. As you can see, it's a minus at the moment, but this is just a demo, so ignore the fact it's a minus. When you click on the trade, you can open and have a look at it, and if you hold your finger over it, it allows you to modify or close the trade. Now modifying the trade is great because you can change your take profit. Once you've done that, you can now see it's been modified and it is straight away available to look at. So that's as simple as using MetaTrader 4 is. Hopefully that's been of help.